Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if animals can predict natural disasters? It's a fascinating idea that's been around for centuries. Let's dive into the truth behind these ancient omens and see what science has to say. First up, the oarfish. In Japanese folklore, these deep-sea creatures are seen as harbingers of earthquakes and tsunamis. And it's not just folklore. In August 2020, an oarfish washed ashore in California, and shortly after, a 4.4 magnitude earthquake hit Los Angeles. Similar events have been reported in Japan and the Philippines, where oarfish sightings preceded earthquakes, but here's the kicker. Scientists aren't convinced. The Seismological Society of America calls it superstition, stating there's no scientific link between oarfish sightings and seismic activity. So, what's the deal with animals and their seemingly uncanny abilities? Well, animals do exhibit unusual behavior before natural disasters. They might be sensitive to subtle environmental shifts, like changes in the Earth's electromagnetic field, or they could be detecting infrasonic sounds that humans can't hear. Some even suggest they sense gas releases from the Earth's crust. Let's look at some historical and anecdotal evidence. In 373 BC, Greek historian Thucydides documented animals fleeing before an earthquake. Fast forward to 2004, during the Indonesian tsunami, animals reportedly fled to higher ground even though the warning systems failed. Modern research gives us more intriguing insights. In Italy, biologger-tagged animals showed behavioral changes hours before earthquakes. Near Mount Etna in Sicily, goats displayed erratic behavior before eruptions. And in Tennessee, golden-winged warblers flew over 800 miles south just before a series of tornadoes. Mind-blowing, right? Despite these fascinating stories, there's still a lot of skepticism. The US Geological Survey points out that many reports are anecdotal and lack large-scale scientific studies to confirm a direct link, but research is ongoing. For example, a French project is tracking birds migrating across the Pacific to understand their response to natural hazards. So, what's the conclusion? While a definitive link between animal behavior and disaster prediction hasn't been established, the evidence suggests animals might sense environmental changes beyond human perception. More research is needed to truly understand these abilities and potentially harness them for disaster preparedness. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this dive into the mysterious world of animal behavior and disaster prediction, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing science content. See you next time.